Hello beautiful souls, it's the 3rd of October today. I've absolutely no idea where all this time has gone. The weather has been absolutely beautiful. We are currently in a bit of a sweet spot. The worst of the work is finally behind us, and we have some time to play and enjoy each other's company. The sea is still lovely and warm, and the beaches are much quieter now. Simon and I have been enjoying our swims and snorkeling recently. I'm sure I'm a mermaid who's been born in the wrong element. When I enter the sea, it feels like I'm coming home. I think that's what draws me here so much. Submerging myself into this crystal clear water with thousands of shades of blue and turquoise, I forget all of my worries just for a while. Watching the sunlight dance across the ocean floor unfolds a whole new magic to me as I float, weightless and held by Grandmother Ocean, drifting through pillars of light. This is my world. This is where I belong. Yet driving home through the mountains at sunset has me just as breathless with all the beauty around me. The mountain slopes are bathed in the most incredible light, aglow, as set on fire and burning brightly with the eternal flame of life. I often lose myself in the majestic vastness of this landscape. It is timeless, ancient, and so different to the energies of Northern Europe. I love them both now, the cool green landscape of the Celtic North and the scorched ancient bedrock of the Mediterranean. Hey ya guys, very rare occasion. We're out at night in the dark. It's the Literature Fest at the moment in Stupa, and then it's Jazz Fest in Caramili. So we are just going to have some fun here, meet some friends and say hello, and I'm just going to show you Stupa at night. So there, a little bit new and different for you for a change, so that's really nice. Come on you, let's go. Stop being such a monkey. This is the beast that we carried up yesterday. Let me just show you. Yeah. So, full cast iron, about 80-90 kilo wood stove here, even with a little top boiler if we wanted to use it. But we got that on the local swap site, swap sell and barter site, and it's just perfect. We needed something for across the house probably at some point, and also we need to see how cold it's going to get in the bedroom downstairs, because winter is coming. We can feel it, even though it looks lovely. The last couple of nights have been nippy, and yeah, so we're just going to see how warm it stays downstairs, and if we need it, we'll put a fire in there just to keep it nice and toasty at night. Hey guys, that's where the rose is going to go. So Simon is just getting a big hole in the ground. It's time to plant her. She's been in the pot all summer long, and now we're going to give her a permanent base so we can guide her properly, because it's a rambling rose. And yeah, hopefully she'll be happy there. With the main kind of work done, I've had more time to take care of the garden. Just tidying, cutting back the old parched growth, and sweeping has felt soothing and good for the soul. Taking care of my environment always feels like I am tidying on the inside too. It's been blissful to work with the plants again, especially the herbs, as I cut them back for winter and prepare them for drying and preservation. Doing this kind of work always reminds me of the time that I worked at the Eden Project in Cornwall. I worked at the plant sale shop, and watering the herbs in the morning sunshine was the best time ever. The smell was just amazing. I am looking forward to learning more about the local medicinal herbs now, and how to use them in medical lotions, potions, and the cuisine of the area, the Mani. I would love to meet someone local here who could teach me how and what to forage here in the foothills of the mountains. An old Yaya or even Andoni, our builder, as he knows so much. But at the moment there is still the language barrier, and until I speak Greek, this will be a hindrance. The busyness of the renovations, and also of the mind, have stopped me from sitting down in earnest and learning Greek. But I am beginning to understand more just by listening, as I recognise more and more words and seem to get the gist of the conversations. Siga siga, as they say, slowly slowly, and I am sure I will begin to learn the language. Little Zeppo's found a forever home too, but I'm dreading letting her go, and I find myself crying whenever I think of it. I really don't know how I'm going to let this little one go, as she's grown very, very close to my heart. But Simon is right. 2 big dogs are enough responsibility and cost. Another one would just be too much. So we're now in the centre of Karamili, so I'm just turning you around a little bit because it's a really lovely little village, and it's the closest one to us. So there's Simon. So this is one of the little village squares. And this is the main road in Karamili, and it's just all lovely old buildings here, so it's really nice little town.
You'll know this one.
Hey guys, so whilst the music is still playing, I've just escaped quickly because I just wanted to show you this. I missed the sunset, but just look at this. Pip's biopsy came back as cancerous, but the vet is confident that the tumour has been removed successfully and all around it is clean. We will see. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, we would love to read your comments. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as you will get updates whenever we release the next video. Until then, with love, Simon and B.